Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Roblox version out of date error, and the error code you can see on the screen is 280. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue with your Roblox update required and the error code you can see 280, then I will show you a simple method to fix this issue. First of all, you just need to uninstall your Roblox. For that, you just need to click on Start menu, then click on Settings. Then in left section you can see here Apps. Click on the Apps. Click on Apps and Features. Here you need to find Roblox. You can say Roblox. Just click on this three dot and click on Uninstall. And then click on uninstall and the Roblox will be removed. Then close this window, open the browser, go to the Roblox official website. You can see here www.roblox.com. then click on Roblox download. Then click on download now and the Roblox software will be downloaded. After completion of this download, just install that software and log in your Roblox ID and hope your issue will be resolved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Roblox version out of date and the error code you can see is 280. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.